So this problem is under the thermodynamics or under na rin po ng pipe and has a difficulty level of 1.5 out of 5. The question is with three different quantities X, Y, and Z of the same kind of liquid temperatures 9, 21, and 38 degrees Celsius respectively, it is found that when X and Y are mixed together, the resultant temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. And when Y and Z are mixed together, the resultant temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Find the resultant temperature if X and Z were mixed. So the choices are 25.87, 25.92, 20.85, and 24.86, all in degree Celsius. So what we are looking for is the resultant temperature if liquid X and Z daw po are to be mixed. Kasi meron ng resultant temperature kapag minix si X and Y, tsaka po si Y and Z. So this will be an easy problem. Medyo involved nga lang si algebra. That's why I labeled it as 1.5 out of 5 difficulty. So what are we going to use for this problem is to use the principle of calorimetry. So the mixing of liquids at different temperatures is governed by the principle of calorimetry, in which states that in an isolated system, the heat loss by the hotter body is equal to the heat gain by the colder body. So we have formula here that we're going to use for the whole problem. The number ending Q is equal to mc delta T, in which Q, of course, represents the heat, M represents the mass, C represents the specific heat, and delta T represents the change in temperature. So we have liquid X here, liquid Y, and liquid Z. And of course, they will be represented by each respective mass. That will be mx, my, and mz. Ang temperature daw po ni liquid X ay 9 degrees, ni liquid Y ay 21, at ni liquid Z is 38 degrees Celsius. Pag pinagmix daw po si X and Y, liquid X and Y, ang kanilang magiging resultant temperature daw po ay 17 degrees Celsius. Kapag pinagmix naman daw po si Y and Z, ang kanilang resultant temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. So si 28 po ay represent ng TYC. Si 17 degrees Celsius naman po ay to be represented by TXY. Ang ating hinahanap daw po ay resultant temperature ng X at ng liquid C, which is represented by TXC. So proceed po tayo sa ating solution and expect po na puro algebra lang ito until the end of the problem. Dako po tayo sa pagmimix ng liquid X and Y. So since we're using the principle of calorimetry, kung ano po yung heat gain ni X is will be equivalent to heat loss by Y. Since Q is equal to mc delta T, sa left side po natin si liquid X ay merong mc delta T or mxc multiplied by change in temperature, which is Txy minus 9. Kasi ang Txy po natin is greater than the initial temperature of X, which is 9. And of course po, ang heat gain ni X is equivalent to heat loss by Y. So ang mc delta T ni Y naman sa right side ay myc times 21 minus Txy. So ang Txy po natin or resultant temperature ng X and Y is 17 degrees Celsius. So substitute lang po natin. mxc times 17 minus 9 is equal to myc times 21 minus 17. And of course, same guide lang naman po ng liquid ang sinabi sa problem. Siyempre si specific heat ay makakancel. So simplifying the equation, we're going to have 8mx is equal to 4my. 2mx is equal to my. And in terms of my po yung magiging basis natin pati sa mga next equation para makakancel na lamang po sa dulo. Since we're looking lang naman sa temperature at not sa value ng mga mass. So ang ating equation 1 po will be mx is equal to 1/2 my. So dako naman po tayo sa pagmimix ng Y and C. So QY is equal to QC. Same approach lang din po sa una nating ginawa, which is X and Y. So mag-iiba lamang po yung mga numerical values. So QY is equal to QC. Siyempre sa left side we have MYC times TYC minus 21. Yung TYC po natin yung resultant temperature is equivalent to MCC times 38 minus TYC. So ang ating given TYC po according to the problem is 28 degrees Celsius. Substitute lamang po sa mga respective heat. So yan po yung lalabas. So cancel uli po yung specific heat kasi same kind of liquid according to the problem. And we're going to have 7my is equal to 10mc. So saan po galing si 7? That came from 28 minus 21 at si 10 naman po ay galing from 38 minus 28. So simplify lamang natin po ito in terms of my kasi yung equation 1 natin kanina is in terms of my din po. So that will be 7/10 my is equal to mc. So that will be our equation 2. So dako na po tayo sa last part ng ating problem in which we're going to mix x and c. Notice that in equation 1 and equation 2, in terms po ng my yung ating mx tsaka mc kasi makakancel po ito at makikita po natin dito. So same process for mixing x and y and mixing y and c. So that will be qx is equal to qc. At sa ating left side, that will be mxc times txc minus 9 is equal to mcc 38 minus txc, in which the txc is unknown kasi yun po yung ating hinahanap sa problem. And of course, para magkaroon tayo ng numerical value here, hindi lamang sa change in temperature, yung mx po is to be represented by equation 1 in which mx is equal to 1 of my, multiply po natin ng c delta t. At ang mz naman po dito will be represented by equation 2 in which mc is equal to 7/10 my. Of course, multiply by c delta t. Of course, equate lang po natin yan. Kung mapapansin nyo po, pwede natin i-cancel parehas si my at pwede natin i-cancel parehas si specific heat c. So, puro numerical values na lamang po ito at puro txc na lamang po ang natitira in which we can keep solve na lamang po sa ating calculator. Or pwede nyo rin po i-manual substitution. So of course, according to the calculator, our final resultant temperature if we're going to mix liquid X and C is 24 or 25.9167 degrees Celsius. And of course, the closest answer is 25.92 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter B. So if you have better solutions po than our solution, please feel free to comment to our comment section. Thank you for listening and God bless.